First, if you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it. Next, open the search bar, type Settings, and click on it. In the Settings window, go to Network and Internet. Depending on your setup, select either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Make sure that the metered connection option is turned off. Now go back to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Locate your active network adapter, double-click it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, find Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and double-click it. Ensure that Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the following: Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes. For the next step, search for command prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter: ipconfig/flushtons. Then type the next command and press Enter again. netwinsic reset. Finally, restart your computer. The issue should now be resolved.